Welcome to Tool Mentorship, your go-to source for expert product reviews and buying guides. If you're searching for the best DeWalt miter saws in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're a professional carpenter, a DIY enthusiast, or a weekend woodworker, choosing the right miter saw is crucial for precision and efficiency. Today, we are reviewing the top DeWalt miter saws, breaking down their features, performance, and why they might be the best investment for your workshop. From sliding compound models to single bevel options, we'll cover everything you need to know. And don't forget, links to these products are in the description box and pinned comment, so be sure to check them out for the latest deals and availability. Now, let's get started. DeWalt 12 Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. If you want a powerhouse saw that delivers both precision and durability, the DeWalt 12 Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw is a must-have. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, this saw offers sharp, clean cuts through hardwoods, softwoods, and even thicker materials. The dual bevel feature allows for quick angle adjustments without flipping your workpiece, saving you time and effort. Plus, the stainless steel detent plate with 10 positive stops enhances accuracy for repeatable cuts. Its sliding feature extends the cutting capacity, making it ideal for large projects like crown molding and framing. With DeWalt's XPS cross-cut positioning system, you get enhanced visibility with a shadow-free cut line. This saw is a game changer for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. DeWalt Sliding Compound Miter Saw, 12-inch. Designed for versatility, the DeWalt 12-inch Sliding Compound Miter Saw offers exceptional precision and power. With its dual-rail sliding system, you get increased cutting capacity, perfect for wider boards and molding. The sturdy 15-amp motor powers through even the toughest materials, while the adjustable miter detent plate ensures consistent accuracy. Its dual bevel capability allows for smooth angle transitions without repositioning your workpiece, making it ideal for intricate carpentry. The XPS LED cut line provides better accuracy without the need for recalibration. Whether you're framing, trimming, or crafting custom furniture, this saw delivers superior performance with minimal effort. DeWalt 12-inch miter saw, 15-amp, single bevel. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance miter saw, the DeWalt 12-inch miter saw, 15-amp, single bevel is a fantastic choice. With its powerful motor and precise cutting capacity, it's great for woodworkers who need a cost-effective yet high-quality tool. The stainless steel detent plate features 14 positive stops, ensuring accurate and repeatable cuts. While it doesn't have a dual bevel function, its lightweight design makes it easy to transport between job sites. The highly efficient dust collection system keeps your workspace clean, improving visibility and reducing cleanup time. Perfect for framing, baseboard installation, and crown molding, this saw delivers exceptional performance at a competitive price point. DeWalt 15-amp 10-inch compound miter saw. For those seeking precision in a compact design, the DeWalt 15-amp 10-inch compound miter saw is a great option. It's lightweight yet powerful, making it ideal for professionals and DIYers who need portability without sacrificing performance. The adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops enhances cutting accuracy. Its powerful 15-amp motor ensures smooth operation, while the tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 4.5 inches. Although it doesn't slide, its compact footprint makes it a great choice for smaller workshops or mobile workstations. If you need a saw that balances affordability, precision, and durability, this is a solid choice. DeWalt FLEXVOLT 120V Max 12-inch miter saw. The DeWalt FLEXVOLT 120V Max 12-inch miter saw is a game-changer in cordless technology. Offering corded power with battery convenience, this saw is perfect for those who need ultimate flexibility on job sites. With dual battery compatibility, you get extended runtime and high performance without being tied to an outlet. The XPS LED light system provides a precise shadow cut line, eliminating guesswork. Plus, the dual bevel and sliding capabilities allow for versatile cutting angles with ease. Whether you're a contractor or a high-end woodworker, this saw ensures precision, power, and portability in one package. That wraps up our review of the best DeWalt miter saws for 2025. If you're serious about woodworking and want a top-tier miter saw, any of these options will serve you well. Each saw we covered offers power, precision, and durability, making them great investments for your workshop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our expert tool reviews. And remember, the links to all these DeWalt miter saws are in the description box and the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out for the best deals. Thanks for watching Tool Mentorship. See you in the next video.